Hello, in this video I will tell you about a web application that allows you to calculate different ventilation equipment. This equipment includes fans, air handling units, dampers, fire dampers, air terminals, and so on. You see the main page of the software. It consists of projects. To add a new project, you push this add position button and a new line appears. You can add a description and some other information, and then you can add equipment by pushing the plus buttons. For example, I need a new air handling unit in this project, and I push this plus button. A configurator appears. The basic configuration consists of flexible connection, a damper, a filter, a heater, a fan, and one more flexible connection. And here I see some more basic configuration, for example with plate heat exchanger, with rotary heat exchanger, and so on. I can choose any of them and improve them by adding, for example, a sensor on them to the supply part, sensor to the exhaust part, a cooler, water cooler, evaporator, and so on. Then I can change all the parameters here, flow, the free pressure, and other parameters. And after I finish, I push the next button to start the calculation. While the calculation has been proceeded, I see all the logs of the calculation, can see what could be calculated or couldn't be calculated. When the fans are calculated, I can choose between them. I can easily see the chart of each fan and choose which one is better for my task. When the next button appears, it means the calculation has already some result, and I can proceed to the result of the calculation. The result consists of the fan charts that I was speaking about a little earlier. Also, it has this drawing with all the dimensions of my air handling unit, the 3D drawing, and all the technical data on all the sections that are included into your air handling unit. Also, you see the noise characteristics, all the automation, and so on. For sure, you can download in PDF format and Excel format the sales offers, because our software, it calculates the cost, and it also calculates the price of the equipment. You also get technical data in downloadable format, and you can export your air handling units to different formats, for example to AutoCAD in 3D format and to Revit. Let us add some more equipment to our project, just pushing this plus button again. You see in this project there is one air handling unit already, and now one fan, but only 0 of fans have already been calculated. So in total one fan, but 0 are calculated. But let's calculate it. So the type radial, it's okay. There are some other types, X and so on. So we leave the parameters as they are and push the calculate button. So the calculation has been finished. You see different variants here. You can choose between them and see all the charts, all the dimensions, again technical data. Again, if you push these buttons, you download the PDF, sales offer, Excel sales offer, or technical data with all the data on all the equipment that you calculated in this project. It's all the same with other equipment, with dampers and with diffusers and so on, so I won't show it now. I'd better show you how your customers see your software, this software. So if your customer, for example a designer, works in Revit and makes a project in Revit, he can easily open your calculations in Revit. For example, if he wants your air handling unit, he just uses our plugin hvacr.cloud plugin and chooses here air handling units, and here he can input the idea of the calculation and immediately insert your air handling unit to the project, or he can do it just in Revit, as you see, by himself. Just again calculate air handling unit as I showed you before and insert it into Revit. All the same is with other equipment, with fans, with air terminals, and so on. So the same form here. After the equipment is inserted, it already has all the information about the equipment with technical data. So your designer can easily open this handheld unit and see technical data the same way as you see in your version of the application here.